Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is our first video, and just a little warning, we actually made a video before, but it got deleted for some reason.
Yeah.
So this is our first video, and right now we're just gonna be playing some Adopt Me.
Okay, and we're gonna do a giveaway.
Yeah.
Our
So
first
okay,
giveaway.
wait, Tati, we don't say that yet. Ow. Okay. So if
fight
you
a lot.
okay, so to say your name, say your name.
Tatiana, but in Roblox, Tati
Tati.
_ LTA.
And for me, my name is Krisselly, and in Roblox is TopCon KK305. We'll show you our usernames at the end of the video if you want to friend us.
and we're giving away
Oh yeah, we're doing
a
a little
Shiba
giveaway, a
Inu.
Shiba Inu, and a dog.
A dog.
So if you want to enter this giveaway, make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and comment down below.
Okay,
If you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you subscribe. Leave this a big thumbs up and comment out your username and the reason why you want your Shiba Inu or the dog. You can get both.
Yeah.
You can get both. You can pick one. It's totally fine with us. And yeah, so right now this video, for me, I'm gonna be seeing what people offer for a ride dodo bird because from the dino eggs or fossil eggs. What is it? It's really hard to say. Fossil eggs. So
Fossil.
yeah.
Oh. So
And
we're
then
gonna be
for
playing.
her-
We're gonna be playing on our iPads here.
Yeah, that's hers.
Oh, I fell out of the world again. This is happening a
And
lot.
this is mine. Oh, somebody sent me a trade
fell
because.
out of the world again.
Oops. Okay, I'm gonna stay safe. Oops.
Oh my god. Oh my
So
god.
I'm just gonna show you my
Something
username.
happened. Something happened. Something happened. So, but the challenge.
Okay, so let's see what
the
people.
challenge is we can only trade the pets that we said in the intro.
Okay, so.
So I'm
So these are
trading
my
away-
pets. If you want to offer any of them.
I'm trading away. I'm gonna try to trade away a penguin and
Yeah,
an otter.
she's trying to give away to trade what people offer for a ride. Take your finger out. Ride penguin or
A bee.
a bee. And then for me, of course, is a ride doodle bird. Let's just ride that. We're not good in all
This is
this
us.
editing, so I'm sorry.
This is us. Wait. This is us. If you see any people like this and Adopt Me, like
Yeah,
this.
like okay, let's.
Let's.
I'm
always wear
gonna
this-
go to my dress up. Okay, if
and
you
I
see
don't
anybody like this, sorry, I have my pet and I'm sitting like that with that face, with that little like
mind.
flowers and ripped jeans, kind of,
Okay, this is
and then that shirt.
guys. If this is
Anyone
this.
like this? That is
Sorry, I'm on my penguin. Wait, let me get off real quick. It will be easier. Okay, here we go. So
Okay,
here
somebody sent me a
is
right
me.
here.
So if you see anybody
Take your
like
finger
full
out.
black, like this,
She's gonna change her outfit, but
no, I'm not. I'm literally not going to ever.
oh, switch your parent.
I did by accident.
So somebody sent me a trade request. We're gonna see.
Yeah, guys,
What they offer for a ride doodle bird.
I have this outfit I wear, and then I have this outfit. I don't know
Oh,
why. I
sorry.
just
Oh my
like it.
goodness. Oh God, I don't know. Oh my goodness, guys, it's kind of a good trade, but I don't have any. I don't have like another ride potion. I don't think it's really fair, but I don't have a ride potion. So. No, Tati, you almost accepted.
Decline. Oh, that was such a good trade.
That was so. I'm so sorry if that was you. Okay,
Yes.
let's put the camera down.
Just add a ride potion to that trade.
I moved my bag. Okay.
Okay,
now we're
add
gonna-
a ride potion and then she'll
So I'm gonna
accept.
add my doodle bird. Okay, they added two Aussie eggs,
Oh, you can't get them in the game
a
anymore.
golden penguin, and a fly dragon.
Decline.
I don't know. I'm just gonna decline. I'm so sorry.
We're trying to get
We're trying to get good offers here. Where's the frost dragon I
the
saw?
whole goal of the game is trying to get
Good pets.
No. Flip.
Got the ear.
Oh my god, okay, sorry.
Oh, okay. So
The whole
I
point
got
of
a trade
the thing
request.
is we're trying to get a
Oh, I don't know, guys. So I added my ride doodle bird, and then they added a fly ride starfish and a particle. I don't think that's fair. I'm gonna add a particle. Okay. This and this.
Oh my god.
This two they're gonna accept. Okay, they added a bunny. I added a fly beaver. Oh, never mind. They're fine. Okay. I got another trade request. I keep getting trade requests. Okay. Oh, they added a doodle bird. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a good trade, but
Wait.
they added a doodle bird.
Wait, check if you have a ride potion just in
I
case.
don't. Okay, let's check. See, I wasted it.
What?
I'm so sorry, guys.
Wait, why
did you trade me?
Sorry, that was someone else. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so I got a trade because I added my doodle bird. It's not pretty.
There's a frost dragon. There's a frost dragon.
Okay, let's see if I can get
Oh
this
wait,
frost.
there's 2 people
But
fighting. Look in the air.
A lot of people trading. A fly ride uni.
Decline.
Yeah.
It's
not
We're
worth
trying to get either
This
the
is the
egg.
one
We're
I
trying to
keep
get
spinning.
either the
Stop,
fossil
stay
egg
still.
or
This woman wants to stay still with the frost dragon. Okay,
eh.
she's still.
I'm trying to trade her. Oh my god. So the whole point of this game is just trying to get our dream pets.
Can I
By
offer?
seeing, okay, let's see this trade.
Was this the girl that has the frost dragon?
This is not a good trade. What the? Okay, so here we go. Do you think this is a good trade, Krisselly?
Oh my god, this is. Oh my god.
Except.
Oh god, I don't know. Guys.
Guys, look at my trade. Guys, look at my trade.
Bruh.
What's the trade?
Guys, look at this trade.
Don't you?
I might accept. Look, it's 2 fossil eggs, a dinosaurus, I don't know how to say it, and a wildie. Oh my god, I don't know. Somebody said, can I offer? Okay, yeah.
So wait, I'm going to the campsite because most people are gonna go to the campsite to see. Okay. Because most people, I think people are gonna go to the campsite for their pets. So I'm gonna go to the campsite to see what good trades there are.
Accept this trade. Okay.
Oh wait, her name Karen. Wait, check the name. I can't read
No,
it.
her name's not Cameron. Her name's
sorry.
Rhea.
I couldn't see correctly. Sorry. I took my
Where's
glasses.
the girl with the frost? I know how she looks like. I don't
Just I'm just putting my pet to sleep right now because I want to get more money.
Hey, where's my LED light control? We can change the colors.
Wait, when was this? When was this, Krisselly? I don't
Buy a
know.
hot dog from
Because. I'll go find it real quick.
This girl wants to keep giving me a unicorn. I don't want a unicorn.
Here, I'll come right back.
Tati, no. Okay,
I'm just
I don't want a
getting the LED light
unicorn.
control. I'm getting the LED light control.
Okay, so I got another cone.
So, guys, we're gonna do.
Gimme. No, we're not doing that.
I want to do this color though.
No, I'm doing Roblox colors, the red.
Really?
Guys, I don't know if this is a trade. Oh my god. The doodle bird is worth like a frost. And if I add. Okay.
You're not
So-
that heavy.
That's it. Okay, so they added. Okay, so I added my doodle bird. They added a fly, but I hate fly pets. I hate fly pets. A dino. Oh my god. No, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm just waiting for a trade to happen.
I want to.
I am like laying down
I
on
don't
the couch
want a
right now waiting for a
unicorn.
trade to happen.
People keep adding these unis. Ooh, an Aussie egg.
Decline. They're not
I
even
know.
in the game
Oh my
anymore.
god.
Nobody
That's
even
rude,
likes
though.
them.
People love the Aussie egg. People were crying when they saw it.
I'm not that mad. All I wanted was a koala for my Aussie. I spent real money on, and I got a common, a bandicoot.
Guys, my friend's gonna teleport to me
Oh
because
my
her
God.
dream pet is a rat. Is a doodle. It's a doodle bird. Okay, let me teleport to her to see what her offer is. Oops.
Guys, I'm just waiting for someone to trade me right now. I'm gonna get more money. So, guys, finally a trade request. See. Oh my God! Krisselly, is this a good trade?
Oh no, because yours is ultra rare.
Alright, really? I don't know what's a good trade and what's
Hi.
not. I'm new to this game. I am really new to this game, so right now I don't know what's a good and bad trade. How much for the lemonade? Lemonade's $3.
No, I would buy it, but it's too expensive. Like,
Well, which one would you buy? $1 or $3? Like, who do you think they're gonna buy? Mine or hers? I'm just waiting for a trade to happen right now.
This is really like, it's really like complicated talking to your friends in Roblox in real life.
Oh my God, yes. I don't know how.
Twins! Oh my god.
I am so.
I don't
know.
Never mind.
Okay, never mind. And about they can see you in the camera.
I like they see you. That's my sister.
Oh, go follow us on our Instagram stamps.
Oh yeah, but I'm gonna put that in the description.
Oh, you are? Good. So, I'm going to the park right now because every time people go to the park when their pets need it.
I want a T-Rex.
And I also love the trampolines. It's just so much fun. Guys, if you see the treehouse, if you guys see the treehouse and you're just waiting for a grappling hook or a flyable pet, don't. There's nothing in the treehouse. What's wrong?
You have a gold uni. Guys, I'm like poor, so don't judge me.
Perfect. There's a lot of people here. Let's see all the good pets. Let's see.
Oh
no! I got.
There's a kid too.
Oh, I'm training that person right now. Where's that person? I want to give the kid suit something. Why? I need a kid suit. I need a kid suit. We can only trade the pets we get or we have.
Should I trade her? I mean, it says Roblox, so
trade.
Period.
Here we go. Okay, is this a good trade? I was going to. One who I don't like about Dami. Everyone. We're about to add something. They decline before we get a chance.
Ugh, you're rude. Just kidding. Not you, Tati. Okay, I'm gonna teleport to the gift display to see any more offers.
Oh my God.
Let's put train ride.
Why'd you change it to blue? I thought we were having red.
That's what you put.
Red.
Trading my dodo bird. Ow! I keep getting stung by something. I think I got my moth.
There's a moth here. And guys,
I'm gonna teleport to you because this server.
No, don't teleport. Don't even. I'm over here too.
Okay, I just got another trade request.
We have the funnest times. Even when I travel, your soul won't fear in darkness.
I already. Ooh, no.
Krisselly. Okay, because it's our first video, I have one question for you. Because we met each other. Where did we meet each other? Tell the viewers where we met each other.
We're cousins. We're cousins.
Yeah, we're cousins. But this girl, we don't know who this girl is right here.
That's my sister.
Oh my God, okay. So, yeah. So, I'm at the hospital right now trying to feed my pet an apple. Okay, let me just stop writing this.
I'm not getting any more trade because we just got one, okay? They added a fossil egg. Ugh, no. I think I might just buy another one.
What?
Guys.
You told me not to. But you have a lot.
Friend me so you can see my house.
Oh my God, her house is so good. It's the best house ever.
My headphones.
Oh wait, I want to hear my iPad died. Oh my God. Is there a place to charge my iPad?
Yeah, in the living room. No, not there.
Okay. Guys, right now we're just going to be watching my cousin Krisselly because my iPad died. It always dies at the worst moments. At the worst moment, it dies.
I ain't that you're funny.
At the worst moment, it dies.
Guys, I'm gonna add like how Sienna does. Because my headphones just seem really boring.
Oh, sorry. It's okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
What do you want for that doodoo bird? Okay, so I just got a text saying, what do you want for that doodoo bird in Roblox? So I'm gonna say,
try.
What did I do? I want
something?
a bat, frost,
wait, she's a scammer.
neon crow, and parrot.
That
But I'll add a lot.
and then you just. Let's see what they're gonna add.
It's not free. I'm so sorry. Oh, a neon fly ride.
No, decline.
No.
You can.
I don't think she has that stuff though. So she's probably like, I don't have that stuff. I'm so sorry.
Alright.
I have none of them.
So what color, guys? So for our next video, first in the comments what color we should do for our next video. Comment down below. And then we're gonna do that color. We don't know
the rest of the video.
Yeah. Right now we're doing red for Roblox.
Yes, because Roblox's the best.
Yes. Okay, cut that out.
I am the queen.
Mm-hmm.
Ow.
You're becoming an novella.
Ow.
You're becoming an novella. I think you're the queen. That's it. You only need that to become Annabella.
Okay, guys. So this is the end of the video, guys. Okay,
We're
now
so-
leave the game.
Bye. So guys, thank you
wait.
for watching.
Okay, guys. So this is the end of this video. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video.
Yeah, we're
make
new
sure
to-
that the. Oh wait, what are we supposed to say at the end of the
Oh my
video?
god.
The giveaway or the next one?
The next one.
The next giveaway, of course, is a
Ready?
banana car.
What? I thought.
It's a banana car. I don't like banana cars, and I have one, and it's legendary. So make sure
No,
you comment
our
below.
next giveaway was, what was it? Or whatever, you traded it away. You traded away our next giveaway, so now we've traded it to a banana car.
So our next giveaway for our next video was gonna be like right after this one. This kitty. It's not gonna be right after this one.
We're probably gonna do like later on in the day.
Yeah, because we love making videos.
Yeah.
So if you want to win the banana car for our next video, make sure to comment down below. Subscribe to our YouTube
And if
channel.
you guys
make
want
this
to,
video a
and
big
if
thumbs
you guys
up.
want to see us more, we always post on the weekends.
On the weekends and sometimes on the weekdays when we see each other, but like it's like vlogs. But we don't only do Roblox, we do vlogs and challenges and makeup.
Yep. So if you ever see it, or we're just like vlogging, just because like we need to, like we have something
We have to
to
explain
share,
to you, or like
or like,
something
or like
important.
whenever we're like sad, or like stuff like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're
So our Roblox users. I'll show yours, Tati.
so
This is mine. Wait, let me
Krisselly.
go to my profile. If it even shows it here.
No,
It doesn't?
It doesn't.
I think it goes
No,
here.
no.
Hold on. There you go.
Oh,
There's no. Oh yeah.
there you go.
So, I only have 4 followers, guys. 99 friends. Top Gun KK305.
Okay, so
Then
now
I'm
for the
gonna
next one. Okay.
Yeah. Wait. Where is you? Okay.
We're shaking.
I gotta.
Shake it, just shake it.
I gotta find you, Tati.
Oh
This is gonna take forever, guys.
Okay, wait, I got this.
Wait.
And start shaking it more.
I'm
Okay.
going to my follow.
Fana. Guys,
Oh, right here.
right there. There's
So.
mine. Tati _LTA.
Yep. Let's keep it there. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, I have
And guys,
no
this
more
is-
Robux.
This is the. If you see anyone like, not like that, cause aren't you like all black?
Yeah. If
Okay.
you see anyone all black, you can assume it's me. Because my favorite color is black.
We gotta put our usernames on our little bio
Oh yeah, we
so
are.
people can see. Okay, and our YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you guys so much
Much
for
for
watching this video.
watching.
Make sure to subscribe.
Subscribe. Give this video a
big
thumbs up.
and
comment
down
why
below
you want
the
this
Shina Ibu and the
new
dog and your username.
And comment what color we should do for our next video.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye guys. Have a good day.
Bye.